A court case may weaken one of New Mexico's most effective weapons against drunk driving.
The case is from Virginia, but it could raise the risk on highways here. News 13's Alex Tomlin is live in the Newsplex.
Dick, acting on a drunk buster's tip, Virginia police pulled over a driver and nailed him for DWI. The problem? Police didn't see him do anything wrong before they pulled him over. He appealed his case, and he won. Pound DWI. 4 simple buttons that can make all the difference.
If it wasn't for that call, we wouldn't know what to look for and where to look. And that could result in someone getting arrested for DWI and perhaps a life saved.
You may be surprised to learn that a tip into drunk busters can actually give police the right to stop you without seeing you break the law.
They've given us good, viable information about the directionality of this vehicle, about the color, about the types of violations that they're seeing.
It's important that the tip be very detailed, something State Police Sergeant Kevin Bruno says is common.
A lot of times we get really good descriptions on these vehicles, and a lot of times, people are actively following these and they want something to be done.
Even if they have a good tip, Sergeant Bruno says most officers still wait to see a violation before they pull the driver over. A rule Bernalillo County deputies follow as well.
It doesn't have to be weaving. It could be speeding. It could be running stop signs. Any traffic violation will give that officer the ability to stop. And at that point, they can determine their sobriety.
Chief Justice John Roberts wanted the U.S. Supreme Court to hear the Virginia case. His fellow justices decided not to. Roberts is afraid that this will handcuff police, forcing them to follow a, quote, one free swerve rule before stopping suspected drunk drivers, a rule that could get someone killed. Under Sheriff Sal Vergiola says if a driver has already been reported to drunk busters, it won't be long before the driver makes a simple mistake in front of an officer.
For the public to think that someone's drunk, they're usually pretty drunk for them to call in.
It's not just Virginia. The courts have thrown out similar DWI cases in 3 other states with drunk buster hotlines. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Alex. Drunk Busters is taking in about 1,000 calls every month here in New Mexico. Again, that number to report a drunk driver is pound DWI. That is pound 394.